This dance is called Overnight Success. It's a 68 count, 4 wall, high improver level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot, you're going into a half figure of 8. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross that left behind, make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right. Step forward on the left, give yourself half a turn to the right, make a further quarter turn right, you step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, and then you're going to step the left to the side as you make 1/8 of a turn to the left. So you will be facing the left diagonal 10-30. Now that set of steps once more. Figure of 8 off on the right. 7-8. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Now you are making the equivalent of a full turn right in this very first section of the dance. For your half figure of 8, you go all the way around and face the front again. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, vine to the right, side, behind, side, cross rock left over right, cover your weight on that right, and then vine back to the left, side, behind, and make that 1/8 of a turn on that last side step. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that full turn out right in that very first section. So having completed that half figure of 8, you're going to then shuffle forward on the right, rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on that right, shuffle back on the left, rock back on the right, and recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then, shuffling forward on the right. 7-8, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. Let's add that to the start. Half figure of 8, off on the right. 7-8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. You're going to add on a couple of jazz boxes with steps forward at the end. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on that left. As you step to the side, you're going to square yourself back up to the front wall and then step forward on the left. Then you're going to add on another jazz box with a quarter turn. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on that left, quarter turn right, step that left forward. That set of steps once more then. Jazz boxes off on the right. 7-8, cross, back, side, step, cross, back, turn, step. Let's add that to the top. Figure of 8 off on the right. 7-8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. Cross, back, side, step, cross, back, turn, step. You're going to walk forward 3 steps, right, left, right. You're going to hitch the left whilst making half a turn to the right. You're then going to walk forward 3 steps, left, right, left, point the right to the side. That set of steps once more with walking forward on the right. 7-8, walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 point. Now because you've just done that quarter turn in jazz box, if that hitch turned into the right causes you problems, just turn to the left instead. Okay? So it doesn't really matter which way you turn. So you're supposed to turn right, that's the way the choreographer has suggested it. If it causes you problems, you can always turn to the left. Walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 point. So if it does cause you issues, just turn it to the left. Let's add that to the top. Figure of 8 up on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, cross, back, side, step, cross, back, turn, step, walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 point. That's our halfway position. So the second half of the dance starts with a weave. So you're going to weave to the left, starting off on that right foot. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side. Cross right over left, recover your weight back on the left, chassé to the right, side close side. That set of steps once more then, weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé. Add on a jazz box with quarter turn. So you're going to cross that left over the right, step back on that right, quarter turn left, touch the right beside the left. Into a half back rumba box. Step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right back, touch that left beside the right. That set of steps once more then, jazz box quarter touch, off on the left. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, touch. Add that to our halfway point. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, touch. Chassé to the left, but you're going to put a quarter turn on the end. Side, close, quarter turn, brush the right forward, and then add on a right-footed rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. That set of steps once more then. Chasséing to the left, and it is a slow chassé. Left foot leads. 7, 8, side, close, turn, brush, rock, king, chair. Let's add that onto our halfway point. Weaving off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, turn, brush, rock, king, chair. You're going to add on 2 toe struts, so a right toe strut and a left toe strut. And another rocking chair, right-footed rocking chair. Just to finish the dance, a jazz box with a cross. Cross, back, side, cross. So that last bit then, toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, toe strut, rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross. Enter the dance when you get to that point. So I'll put 12 counts in that last section. From our halfway point, weaving to left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, turn, brush, rocking chair, toe strut, rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross. That's your 2 halves. Let's put them together. Half figure of 8 off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, cross, back, side, step, cross, back, turn, step, walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, turn, brush, rocking chair, toe strut, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross. So that is your dance. Now the only end counts that are in this dance are in your shuffles, and then that very first chasse that you get to in that second half of the dance. Other than that, single count twanging. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Half figure of 8 up on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, cross, back, side, step, cross, back, side, turn, step, walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, turn, brush, rocking chair, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, cross, back, side, step, cross, back, turn, step, walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, turn, brush, rocking chair, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, cross, back, side, step, cross, back, turn, step, walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, tap, side, close, turn, brush, rocking chair, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross. So that is your dance. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 2. Wall 2 is your 3 o'clock wall. You'll be facing 6 o'clock when you come to do the tag. Quite simply, small steps aside on the right as you bump right, left, right, left. 4 little hip bumps, single count timing. So let's take you through wall 2, add on the tag and restart the dance. Figure of 8 up on the right. 7, 8, aside, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, turn, brush, rocking chair, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross, tag, bump, 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 side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. End of wall 2, 4 little hip bumps. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, cross, back, side step, cross, back, turn, step, walk, 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 hitch, walk, walk, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, turn, brush, rocking chair, toe strut, rocking chair, cross, back, side, behind, turn, step, pin, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, cross, back, turn, step, pause, just tango, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, what shall I say, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, turn, side, close, turn, rush, rocking chair, toe strap, rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross, hip bumps, side, behind, turn, step, finger, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward, back shuffle, back rock, cross, back, side, step, cross, back, turn, step, walk, push, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, the right shuffle, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, turn, rush, rocking chair, toe strap, rocking chair, cross, back, side, behind, turn, step, finger, turn, behind, side, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, cross, back, side, step, cross, back, turn, step, forward, walk, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right shuffle, cross, back, turn, touch, side, close, back, step, side, close, turn, rush, rocking chair, toe strap, rocking chair, cross, back, side, cross, figure of eight, right shuffle, jazz, walk, weave, jazz, chassé, toe strap, hope you managed that one.